So now we're going to talk about a subject called software rollback. Bolt introduces a new feature of software rollback. It We've had a form of this on the product forever, but this is a much more integrated uh, uh, rollback that is much quicker. It enables rapid rollback to a previous release. So with Bolt, every time you do a switch, we automatically store the database just prior to the switch. So that database will exist and it'll live with the load on the board until that load is deleted. So database rollback will restore to the previous load and database. So, where in the past you might have had to switch back and then do a restore, even if there's a schema change, that's in the database, that's not an issue because you'll have the database that was running prior to the switch. This can often save your bacon if a upgrade somehow goes awry. Typically, the switchback only takes a few minutes, and since typically the OLT and ONTs all have their previous load, they can rapidly switch back. And so now we'll go to the OLT and we'll take a look at what this looks like. Okay, so now we're on the Bolt console and I thought I'd show you a few things. And we're going to issue a command, Bolt system software list. And we can see that currently we are running 62.0.150 and previously we were running 62.0.148. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch from 150 to 148. As a side note, you can always see the current software by saying show Bolt system software inventory, and that will show you what is the currently active and the current standby. So since we want to roll back to 148, what we're going to do is we're going to say Bolt system software rollback. So when we actually do issue the rollback, what's going to happen is it's going to go back and look in the directory for 148, and there will be stored the backup, and it will pull out that backup, restore it to the unit, update the software, or I should say downgrade the software to 148, and then it will switch. This will take about 4 minutes, so we'll pop back in about 4 minutes. So it's about 4 minutes later, and we can see that the system is coming back up and it's running the 148 release. So it restored the previous database and is now running the previous release. So just wanted to give you a chance to look at this great new feature of software rollback on Bolt.